In this lesson, I'm going to talk about oblique triangle. The question is, in triangle ABC, AB is 9, AC is 8, BC is 6. The question asks for what is the degree measure of the largest angle in triangle ABC? The second question, what is the area of the triangle? Now, let us to solve this problem. The largest angle opposite the longest side. The longest side in triangle ABC is AB, which is 9. So AB opposite the angle C. So the angle C is the largest angle. Now we will find the angle C by using the cosine law. Cosine C equals to A squared plus B squared subtract C squared divided by 2 times A times B, in which A is a side opposite the angle A. The angle A opposite the side BC, so A is 6. B is a side opposite the angle B. The angle B opposite the side AC, so B equals to 8. C is a side opposite the angle C. The angle C opposite the side AB, so C is 9. Now we substitute this data into the equation. So cosine C equals to A squared. A is 6, so 6 squared plus B squared. B is 8, so plus 8 squared subtract C squared. C is 9, so subtract 9 squared divided by 2 times A. A is 6 times B. B is 8. So this equals to 6 squared is 36 plus 8 squared is 64. Subtract 9 squared is 81 divided by 2 times 6 times 8, which equals to 0.1979. Now C. So the angle C equals to arc cosine 0.1979, which equals to 78.6 degree. Now we will find the area of the triangle by using the area formula. So the area of the triangle ABC equals to half 2 side times 2 side, because we know the angle C, so we choose the side A times side B times sine C, which equals to half. A is 6, B is 8 times sine. The angle C is 78.6 degree, which equals to half times 6 times 8 times sine 78.6 degree, which is 0.98. So the area of the triangle ABC is 23 0.52. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscription button. Thank you for watching.